Hi, good morning everyone. Today is 14th February, Valentine's Day 2025. Today is 14th February 2025 and right now I am in Karnataka. So we have just installed today our milk washing machine and grading machine. I will show you how it is. So milk washing machine and here like high air bubble water milk washing machine is there. When since it's coming from that pond or raw material, so they are directly dumped here. After you dump here, here will grow more, which is the work which will remove here. And again after this here, grading machine, getting to, you can see here substance is lying there, getting to, then again you can come to this number by this number, 51, then this is coming, so that this is for coming to this ruler, and after this ruler, you can see here, after this ruler, all the grade, high grade seems to be going down inside, the different size and different grade. We have this grading machine with the 5 grade, so the front, this will be uncountable, here countable will not count. By this remote control also, but this touch PLC also, and that side we have some extra manual. Then this here, like auto and manual. Manual is going to manual operation, means you have to touch all the buttons, then it will be working perfectly. Otherwise, you have to go auto, means all the working system with that touch panel. So this is our grading machine in Karnataka. Thank you so much.